Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here, find the limit of this as x approaches 0. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, visualize this as well. Looking at this bit here, visualize it as sine 7x times by sine 7x. So visualize it as one block multiplying with another block and x times x at the bottom. So now so now you break up this fraction into two separate fractions. So this here is one fraction, and then this here is another fraction. So it's basically this block multiplying with this block here. Okay, and when you get to this stage here, try to get this. Well, whenever you see something like this, try to get the two bubbles to be the same, and then you can use sine x over x. You can then use this. Well, whenever you see this, try to get these two bubbles to be the same. Okay, so here times top and bottom here by 7 here. Okay, then the 7 here times with, well, the 7 goes in front here, and your sine 7x goes here, and then at the bottom 7 times x will be 7x, and then do the same over here, times top and bottom here by 7. So, well, the aim is to get this to be the same as this. The aim is to get this to be the same as this. Okay, and then here, as well, break. So at the moment, you're trying to take the limit of this whole thing here. Well, here, when you're here, just take the limit of this and then multiply with the limit of this here. Okay, yeah, so that will take you to here, and then hang on, and then you well, this here, well, you can take the 7 out here. And remember, we've done lots of videos on this. So this here, well, you can take the 7 out, okay, and here take the 7 out here. So just concentrate on finding out the limit of this. The limit of this, and then this box here is this box here. Take the 7 out, and then concentrate on finding out the limit of this. Okay, so that will take you to here. Okay, now notice that this bubble here. Hang on. Now notice that this bubble here is the same as this bubble here, and this bubble here is the same as this bubble here. As x tends to 0, this bubble here will automatically go to 0. As x tends to 0, 7x will automatically, well, this bubble here will tend to 0. My point is that when you're, hang on, when you're here, try and visualize it as a bubble here, a bubble here, a bubble here, a bubble here. So as x tends to 0, then all the bubbles will automatically tend to 0. So as the bubble here tends to 0, then the limit of this will be 1. And then here, as the bubble tends to 0, because as x tends to 0, the bubble will automatically tend to 0. So yes, x is tending towards 0. So, well, the bubble will automatically tend to 0. So you can think of it as the bubble tending to 0. Well, the bubble tending to 0, that means this whole thing here will be 1. Well, this 7 here is this here, and the limit of this here will be 1. Okay, this 7 here is this 7 here. The limit of this whole thing here will be 1. So 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Blah blah blah. It will give you 49. And when you look at the graph, when you look at the graph here, dead on 0 is undefined here, but the limit as x approaches 0 is actually 49. Okay, and then from the right hand side, it does tend to 49. So here is your answer. Okay.